Fantastic to be down here at Delany Park today and to be witnessing the beginning of the next stage of improvement work. Back end of last year we were very fortunate to unveil the new stadium lighting across the park and had an opportunity at the community fireworks display to bring the lights to life and to explain to the community the additional opportunities that users can have out here under lights. So that was stage one. Stage two is the community sports hub that's being built here beside me. Really exciting to see 8 new changing rooms and a club room going to be built over the next 12 months, ready for opening in about July, August 2026. This stage of the project, stage 2, is being funded by external funding at a central government and local trust or gaming institutes funding. So we're really thankful for those organisations, very supportive of our ratepayers here and trying to find different ways of funding these major capital works for our community. So a big part about improvement and modernisation is understanding what future users and their requirements of our facilities are and understanding the requirements of women in sport. We're seeing massive increased numbers in women's sport off the back of successes like the Women's Cricket World Cup, the Women's FIFA World Cup and Women's Rugby World Cup. So for us here, wonderful to be able to thinking about how we can include that diversity into our build programs and offer a better space for all our users out here.